tuwing ikaw ay anong ibig sabihin? Ba't ganyan ang iyong tingin? Di na maalis sa isipan kong lahat ng to. Gabi-gabi ka nang gumugulo. Maaari bang sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga mata mo? Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na dulot ng realidad. Ano ba makanta? Ano ba makanta niya? Makakanta ng mga members. Yung kay Stel yung kahit tagal na akong nagtitimping magtapat, hindi ko masabi ang tunay kong naramdaman. Nadarama pala. Malilirik ni Pablo. Baba, yeah, try to get to your baba. Bakit ba ganito? Para bang isang misteryo. Oh, kaibigan ko. Meron akong paborito yung For the First Time. She's all laid up in bed with a broken heart. Ano yung lyrics mo? For the First Time lyrics. The script. She's all laid up in bed with a broken heart, while I'm in Jack alone in my local bar. And we don't know how we got into this bad situation. Only doing things out of frustration, trying to make it work, but man, these times are hard. She needs me now, but I can't seem to find a time. Yeah, got a new job now on the unemployment line, and we don't know how we got into this mess. As it got us, someone help us, cause we're doing our best. Try to make it work, but man, these times are hard. You know we gotta stop by drinking all cheap bottles of wine. Drinking up cheap bottles of wine. Sit talking up all night. Then things we haven't for a while, yeah. We're smiling, but we're close to tears. Even after all these years, we just now got the feeling that we're meeting for the first time. May sequence, syempre pakinggan mo 1, 2, 7, hello. We're going down, down in an alley around. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one when the... Fuck. Sorry. Asan yung 8-track? Walang 8-track. Grabe naman kayo. Wala na ang boses. Uy, 2 minutes na lang, man. I have to go, man. Oceans and engine. Napakalupit. Maganda sumulat dyan ni Nikki. Gusto ko yung line niya dun na, While you're running in liquor, my soul it gets sicker. While you're wolfing down liquor, my soul it gets sicker. My God, goodness. Ang ganda ng lyrics. Tsaka si Biba Doobie, yung pinapakinggan ngayon. Si Chaperone, tsaka si Biba Doobie. Yeah. 12 na, man. Bye-bye, man. It's time to go for all bop. You have to listen to my album and share your thoughts and everything. Share it to your friends, your families, your best friends, your lovers. Sa aso nyo, pakinig nyo. It will make the world better. I promise you guys. So, thank you so much for your support. Magkita-kita tayo sa Robinsons Ilocos sa 22 September, sa 29 naman sa Laguna. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Salamat sa buhay nyo. Mag-ingat kayo parati. Babayu. Kasi 12 na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.